morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here one of the most popular TV box. Okay, that is based on Android operating system. Okay, so we have here the M8S Pro L TV box. It is one of the newest and one of the most popular smart TV box at gearbest.com and other shopping sites. But if you want to get one, and you have to have, at least you want to have an assurance on what you are getting, get it from gearbest.com. Okay, we're going to have an unboxing of this smart TV box. So we have here the main box, the M8S Pro L TV box. Okay, it is manufactured by the MeCool company. MeCool M8S Pro L TV box. Okay, so what do we have here? What else do we have here? Check the latest action movies. Say it to search. TV box is listening. All you have to do is ask. Wow, we also have a voice command for this one. Speak into the voice remote control. The TV box will search for what you want. Simply press the voice control key to activate the voice function when you see the try saying on the screen. Speak into the microphone. For example, the latest action movies, today's weather, the latest celebrity news, and other else. Okay, you have the MeCool M8S Pro L user manual. Okay, so the instructions on how to set up on your TV box. Let's check. What else do we have? Okay, the power cable here, the extra or the HDMI cable for your HDMI port, and we have the remote. Let's check it out. Okay, so we have the remote here. So this is the voice function here. Just press this one and say what you want. It will search for it. Okay, voice command. Okay, so that's the content of your MeCool Android TV box, the M8S Pro L version or model. Okay, so what are the specs for this one? Let's check. So we have 8-core CPU processor. We have 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage. It supports 4K 60 frames per second. Wow, nice. And also have HDR and other features here. So far, it looks good. Very portable. Looks nice, and it has a very large storage capacity. We also have the port here or slot here for your card, memory card, and we have at least 2 micro USB port. So far, based on the review as well as the comments by other users who already purchased this MeCool M8S Pro L, it has a positive review from its users, or shall we say buyers. Okay, so we have here the instructions for the remote. Okay, voice control and navigation buttons here. Okay, so that's our sneak preview of the M8S Pro L. Okay, next time we're going to compare it with the M8S Pro W Smart TV box. Okay, so again, this is the MeCool M8S Pro L TV box. We got it from gearbest.com, one of the premier site or the leading site for gadgets, electronic gadgets, smartphones, laptops, smartwatches, smartband, drones, and more. Goodbye.